Revealing the top heart-boosting foods and supplements with Dr. Luigi Graton. Ayan, one of the best coaches of BNC po, Coach Cheng Gilyarte.
Hello po, good morning. Thank you, Coach Gina, and good morning, Philippines. And sa lahat po ng mga first-timers and sa mga nasa FB Live. So today po, ang aking pong isi-share na topic is about an article with by Dr. Luigi Graton. But before that po, gusto ko pong i-share yung aking amazing transformation and journey with Herbalife. So ako po si Cheng Gilyarte, 31 years old. And ginamit ko po yung product sa maraming paraan for weight loss, for sports nutrition, as a Dragon Boat athlete, sa aking 2 pregnancies as prenatal supplements and as a nutrition partner. And of course, with the approval of my OB. And now na nagbe-breastfeeding po for 2 years and 7 months. Wow, amazing journey. So with that po, ang dami pong aking na-feel na improvement, of course, yung sa aking health concern and energy, sobrang na-gain ko. Talagang tumaas yung energy level ko. And bonus na lang po talaga yung amazing over 60 pounds na weight loss. What I really love about is yung may nag-guide sa'yo, nagko-coach sa'yo, and this amazing wellness virtual community. So not just virtual, so meron na din po tayo ngayong face-to-face. So background ko po before, I am special education teacher. So turo po ako for 2 years. But nakita ko po doon na very stressful and marami pong deadlines. Meron po akong hinahabol na 8 to 5 na oras. So tinatapos po yun. And of course, yung ano po, yung meron pong boss, di ba? So wala pong freedom of time. But because napakilala po sa akin yung Herbalife through my friend. So dahil po doon nakita ko po yung solution na pwede ko palang i-grab yung hindi lang for product results, but of course yung opportunity with Herbalife. So minaximize ko po, I grabbed the 50% discount. And with that po, na-maximize ko din po yung pag-attend ng mga trainings. Ayan. So with that po, nakita ko po na pwede ko po pala itong gawin around my schedule. And ngayon po ako po ay full-time mom. So nagagawa ko na po siya around with my 2 kids. So amazing opportunity po with Herbalife. So with that po, umpisahan na po natin yung topic. So ito po yung title ng topic, Fuel Your Heart Health, Unveiling the Top Heart Boosting Foods and Supplements. So this is by Dr. Luigi Graton, our Vice President and of course, the Office of Health and Wellness Chair, Herbalife Nutrition Advisory Board. Isa sa mga gwapong doctor sa Herbalife. So ito pong makikita niyo po itong article sa herbalife.com, www.herbalife.com. So, let's talk about this one. What is alpha-lipoic acid and how does it support the heart? So, ano ba yung alpha-lipoic acid? It is also called or known as ALA. So, ito po ay ingredient na makikita sa isa sa amazing products ng Herbalife, ang Herbalife Nightworks. And this alpha-lipoic acid is a potent antioxidant. Ibig sabihin po ng potent, yun ay having a great power, influence, or effect. So may magandang effect siya. Amazing, great effect. So pag you have this alpha-lipoic acid. And ito pong alpha-lipoic acid, nag-work po siya sa ating mitochondria sa ating loob ng katawan para po ma-protect yung ating DNA sa mga damage. And it has unique capability po na mag-work both sa water and fat. Kasi meron pong nag-work lang sa water, meron naman pong nag-work lang sa fat. Tulad po ng vitamin C, sa ano lang po siya nag-work sa areas ng body natin na may water. While example, vitamin E naman po, nagwo-work lang siya sa areas ng katawan natin na may mga fats. Yon. And of course, yung alpha-lipoic acid po, nakaka-help po siya sa heart to protect yung cardiovascular system natin sa mga free radical damage. Ano ba yung mga free radicals? Ito po yung mga nakakakos na ma-damage yung cells natin, magkasakit tayo, and yung aging. So amazing, di ba? So let's watch this video and let's get to know the science behind Nightworks.
We all know that healthy eating has many benefits, but sometimes even the healthiest diet can use a little extra help. For example, your circulatory system sends nutrients and oxygen through the blood to your organs. With proper nutrition throughout the day, most adults are producing the nitric oxide they need to support healthy circulatory functioning. Nitric oxide, also known as NO, is a gas molecule that can be produced by many types of cells in the human body. At night, however, nitric oxide production is low because we're not consuming the nutrients that help create it. Herbalife Nightworks supports cardiovascular health by promoting nitric oxide production while you sleep. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Nightworks contains amino acids L-arginine and L-citrulline that are used by your body to produce nitric oxide. This helps promote blood flow for the healthy function of heart, brain, and other organs. This in turn supports healthy blood pressure levels already within a normal range and helps keep blood vessels toned and flexible for healthy vascular function.
Oh. Aha.
Nightworks can be mixed with cold water, sparkling water, or juice once per day. Don't miss a beat in your healthy, active lifestyle with the help of Nightworks.
All right. So I hope may nakuha po kayo dun sa video about Nightworks. So about the ingredients and how can we use the Herbalife Nightworks. Ayan. So let's go to the next one. If nitric oxide is a gas, why does Herbalife Nightworks come in powder form? So ayan. Of course, Herbalife developed Herbalife Nightworks with one of the best doctors, Dr. Louis Ignarro, who received the Nobel Prize laureate in medicine. Ayan. And according to his research, that yung nitric oxide nakakatulong ma-keep yung blood vessels natin na toned, flexible, and youthful for improved blood circulation. So later po, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung itsura nun ng circulation ng ating blood sa ating blood vessels. And also, sa kanyang research ay nakita din na yung combination ng two amino acids na L-arginine and L-citrulline, it helps to support yung production ng nitric oxide. So nagtutulong-tulong pala itong tatlong ito para sa amazing products ng Herbalife Nightworks. And yung Herbalife helped develop Herbalife Nightworks as a powder with these two amino acids. So with that L-arginine and L-citrulline, yun pala ang nakatulong para maging powdered form ang Herbalife Nightworks. So amazing, di ba? So ito po si Dr. Louis Ignarro. Siya po ang nakadiscover ng importance ng nitric oxide sa ating cardiovascular system. That he said po na we can reverse cardiovascular damage with nitric oxide. So meron pa po akong i-share na isang video, and this is from Dr. Luigi Graton. I-share niya po ulit about Nightworks.
Hi, I'm Dr. Luigi Groton for Herbalife. I want to talk a bit about heart health, specifically about nitric oxide, or as it's commonly called, NO. NO plays an important part in our cardiovascular health by helping to keep the blood vessels flexible for healthy vascular function. NO also helps support blood pressure levels that are already within a normal range. The body's NO levels are lowest at night, which is what inspired Herbalife to create Nightworks. Nightworks is a powdered mix formulated with the amino acids L-arginine and L-citrulline, both of which support the body's natural production of NO. Nitric oxide is important in all kinds of cardio functioning, including systems stressed by exercise, which is why Nightworks can be part of the nutritional regimen of people who work out as well. Nightworks should be taken once a day, usually at night or before bedtime. Nightworks is available.
All right. So, ayun po ang Nightworks. Diniscuss ni Dr. Luigi Graton, and you can get these videos po sa ating Herbalife video library. So, amazing with that video library. Makikita niyo po yung mga videos na makaka-help and very informative po. Ayan. So, ito po yung gusto kong ipakita sa inyo na blood circulation when you have young blood vessels. And kapag nag-age na po, pwede pong ganyan po yung maging itsura. And pag before stroke, ganito po yung itsura niya. So, some facts lang po, yung nitric oxide po is produces at the inner layer of the blood vessels, and it relaxes and widens the blood vessels for better circulation. And nitric oxide is easily destroyed by free radicals. So, kapag nag-age na po tayo, yung nitric oxide po na production ay nagde-decrease. So, kailangan po nating mag-take ng supplement, which is, it is in Herbalife Nightworks. And poor nutrition and unhealthy lifestyle can aggravate the aging of the blood vessels. So, ang laking tulong na nitric oxide that we can take from Herbalife Nightworks. So, of course, Herbalife has heart health products, and if you add with Nightworks, so it works synergistically for optimum heart health. So amazing po ang heart health products. And isa pa lang po yung na-discuss ko sa inyo, which is the Herbalife Nightworks. So ito po yung iba pang heart health products. Of course, I would like to highlight first yung ating Nightworks. So, ayan po. You can screenshot this and you can ask your coach if you want to add this in your program. Ayan. Of course, ito pa po ang isa. So, how does garlic contribute to cardiovascular health? So, yung garlic po, it is been recognized na high-quality supplement to support healthy circulation and a healthy heart. Diba, ang dami yung nagsasabi na kailangan mong kumain ng isang buong clove ng garlic para lumakas ang iyong immune system, di ba? So meron siyang key active component na allicin na nakakatulong mag-support ng cholesterol, malower yung cholesterol. It is an antioxidant, blood thinning, and antimicrobial activity. So yun po ang ang features ng active component na allicin, di ba? So amazing pala ang meron sa garlic. So yung garlic supplements naman, kailangan naka-coat siya para maging effective siya sa stomach natin and para mas ma-absorb natin yung kailangan nating makuha sa garlic. And what is really amazing, Herbalife developed yung Mega Garlic Plus na meron siyang coating, enteric coating, para makadaan ng maayos. And yun nga, sinabi ko na merong full absorption sa ating stomach, di ba? So, Mega Garlic Plus. Amazing product, another heart health product. So, ayan po, you can screenshot this and you can also add this in your program sa inyong mga add to cart sa ating Herbalife, di ba? Website. So, I would like also to add up this Herbalife line, one of my favorite products. Ayan. Yung merong EPA and DHA, and also good for the joints. And did you know this is also good for our visceral fat? So these are the 3 heart health products that we have here in the Philippines. So why not say yes to good nutrition, because Herbalife is a super brand in the Philippines. So saan ka pa? Sa number 1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management and well-being, and active and lifestyle nutrition. So with that, have a safe day po and God bless. Thank you po.
Thank you, Coach Cheng. Sa sobrang dami ng aming na-learn for today. Ayan, pwede tayong mag-thank you kay Coach Cheng. Pwede mag-heart react. Maraming